In this video, we are going to fix 2019-07 cumulative update for Windows error 0x80070091. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do so, we need to navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, you need to proceed to the left pane, find for an option called System, click on it, and afterwards you need to scroll down and then you need to locate for the troubleshoot. Next is to go with other troubleshooters and from here click on Run corresponding to Windows Update. So wait until this procedure would be finished and once you are done with this, you need to restart your PC and check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the next solution, and that is here at the bottom search bar, type for CMD. Once you have typed it, you would be able to see a command prompt system. Click on Run as Administrator, and from here, I want you to copy the commands that I have given at the YouTube description. So those are two. First is the sfsky scannow. Copy and then paste it to the command prompt, and then proceed to the second. Once you are done with the SFC scan now, which is chkdsk space /f space /r, copy, then paste it. Once done, restart your computer, and once you've restarted it, try to check if the problem has been fixed, okay? Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then kindly don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day.